What's going on, everybody? This is Jake Jones here with MarineMax, Texas MasterCraft. Today we're going to walk through a 2023 Premier 230 Sunstation. This is the angler setup so for anybody who's looking to do some fishing while out there, we can check out some of the options inside that are going to help you guys do that so much easier. So up here in the bow of the boat, you'll see here on the floor, we do have our ski locker down here. Great spot for storage in that center tune. We do have storage underneath all of our front seating as well, so plenty of room for you guys to put towels, bags, whatever that you guys bring on board. As we work backwards here, on the helm here, we do have our Simrad screen as well as our JL audio head unit, rocker switches for all our nav lights as well. We have a small wraparound couch back here. Again, storage underneath all of that as well. As we move back here, this is what makes the Angler special. So you have the fishing setup back here, you have the dual fishing chairs, and then your full fishing storage. You got room for all of your rods. You have tackles boxes in there as well. You have some storage on the back side here, up top, a couple live wells. So you do have one for bait, one for the keepers as well. Back on this stern, we do have a 200 Mercury on this engine or boat as well. So got plenty of push on this boat for you guys while you're jumping from spot to spot on the lake. If you guys have any more questions, hop on to MarineMax.com. Check out the other Sunsations that we have as well as the other boats that Premier offers. Outside of that, if you guys have any additional questions, contact me, Jake Jones, at 682-282-9969. Thank you.